Hi everyone, myself Anna Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of EC. In this video, I am going to share about data link layer protocols in network layers and data link layers. So initially the protocols are it's a set of rules and regulations which must be accepted by both sender and receiver. Without getting an acknowledgement, the protocol does not access to the receiver end. So it is divided into two types. First one is noiseless channel and second one is noisy channels. Noiseless channels are based on simplest and stop and wait controls. And for noisy channels, stop and wait ARQ, go back and ARQ, selective repeat ARQ. So ARQ is automatic repeat request. Based on the automatic information, so it is automatically generated the request based on the acknowledgement received. Simplest method. Simplest method is it is the form of normal information has been forwarded to the source to destination again without hesitate any information. Only one direction it has to be followed. But for example, initially the network data link physical layers are present for this forwarding the informations. While forwarding the data to the receiver side, only one direction has been enabled. It is known as simplest method. In this method, only the limited storage or limited flow of data has been forwarded to the receiver side. So that it is one of the easiest method, so that it is known as simplest technique in this method. So this is one way of communication. Frame is received at the receiver side. Moreover, we can send other frame, and also it is received at the receiver side. It just denoted that arrival, so that the receiver received the data without any errors. So like that, just forwarding the data based on the user's wish. Stop and wait control. So here the same method, only thing is the data has been stopped based on the users, because sometime if you are able to forward the data to the receiver side, the user has to be said that this type of data we won't transmit to the receiver side, so that we can stop the particular data alone, and then we can transmit the remaining data to the receiver side without any errors. So let us example request by initially the data has been forwarded to the receiver, then proper getting acknowledgement. The data has been forwarded to the sender also. It indicates that the data has been reached to the receiver side. So suppose if you want to stop the particular data to the receiver side, means it does not forward, it does not communicate to the receiver side for an acknowledgement. So it is known as stop and wait. So based on the time management, we can wait for the next bit. While forwarding the data to the receiver side, we can able to stop the next bit, which kind of time, which time we want to send the data to the receiver side. So like that, acknowledgement has been received to the sender side. Stop and wait ARQ protocol. So here the same concept, only is ARQ, automated repeat request. We don't want wait for a particular time for stopping the data, so that we can choose this ARQ protocol. It is automatic repeat request. So once if you are deciding that the data we won't receive any information, means then automatically it just eliminate the data, and then it can able to transmit the data without any errors. Stop and wait frame 0 and received on same frame 1 is stop and wait, means we wait the data and then it just lost, so that we can able to transmit the same data from frame 1. Once it just receive the information, then automatically it just communicate to the sender side, so that it just forwarding the information from 1 to n. Next is go back and protocols. The main concept is here we are using sliding window. Here n represent number of sliding windows. For example, if you are selecting the sliding windows n equal to 3, means we can able to transmit the data by 3 by 3, so that it can able to transmit the information based on the number of n selections. So sometime the n equal to 3 means we want to transmit all the data once again. Suppose if the n equal to 2, if we are having any errors at n equal to 2 means, then automatically it just forwarding the data once again all the n equal to 3 values to the receiver side. Assessment, assuming that each frame is 100 bytes long, so what is the maximum data rate possible? So here they are given some examples, 5 or 10, 15 or 20 kbps. The calculation is bandwidth based on the bandwidth. So bandwidth is 20 kb per seconds. Propagation delay equal to 400 meters a second. Frame size is 100 bytes. Then go back and is used for n equal to 10, 100 byte. 100 bytes has been forwarded to the mm, next data based on the propagation delay as well as the bandwidth. So the n equal to 10 value is used to forwarding the maximum data speed to the receiver side. Thank you.